What's up, guys, and welcome to Web Pro Education's Daily Tech Tips. In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to connect your AirPods to any Samsung phone. Now, you can use your AirPods with any Samsung phone to listen to music, to take calls, watch multimedia, and all that stuff. So, to pair your AirPods to your Samsung phone, the first thing you need to do is make sure Bluetooth is turned on your Samsung device, and then put the AirPods in pairing mode. And to do that, simply open the lid of the AirPods case, turn them around, and then press this button on the back here, the pairing button, and hold it in until the light inside the AirPods case starts blinking white. And with that light blinking white, the AirPods are in pairing mode, and you should be able to see them in your Bluetooth list on your Samsung phone. If you can't see them, you can do another scan. And as soon as you find them, tap on it to pair and confirm you want to pair. And then you can go ahead to settings and make sure it's turned on for both calls and for multimedia. And that's it. You can now go ahead and listen to music and take calls on your Samsung phone using AirPods. And that's basically how to pair AirPods to any Samsung phone. Thanks for watching. You can leave your comments and questions down below. Don't forget to share and subscribe for more tips. Until the next one, my name is Chris, and I'll talk to you guys soon.